Right now, I got three fragrances from Florence to test out. So if you can see, bawas na sila and parang obvious naman alin dito yung favorite ko based sa bawas. First, we have Bright Crystal. Next, we got Blooming Bee. And lastly, we got Be Her. So let's talk about these. This is Bright Crystal, which is inspired by Versace Bright Crystal. For Bright Crystal, I actually smelled the original na. And I can say na yung scent profile naman ito is similar with the original. But the difference is that this one is more leaning towards clean girl scent. Pero yung original kasi is more floral than this version. What I can say about this is that if you're looking for a clean girl feminine fragrance, then this is the one for you. Next naman is Blooming Bee. This is very feminine as well. Actually, hindi ko pa natatry yung original nito, which is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. But if you think of this fragrance as a standalone perfume, ang bango niya. Very feminine din, but less clean vibe scent sa Bright Crystal. Si Bright Crystal kasi mas soapy na yung vibe niya. But this is more floral and sweeter. And last, we have Be Her, which is inspired by Burberry Her. Out of the three, ito for me yung pinakamatamis, pero meron din siyang pagka-amoy powder, amoy makeup kind of smell. Hindi ko pa naamoy yung original nito, but Burberry Her is supposed to be a strawberry scent. And medyo naaamoy ko naman yung strawberry sa kanya kasi may pagka-sweet siya, meron pagka-candy, but still feminine and floral at the same time. Now, if you would ask me to rank these, then of course, first ko is si Bright Crystal, then second ko is si Blooming Bee, and last ko si Be Her. Sa personal taste ko kasi, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa powdery scents. Though mahilig naman ako dun sa mga sweet kind of scents, pero yun talagang scent profile lang ni Be Her na powdery kind of sweet na medyo may amoy makeup, yun yung hindi ko nagustuhan. These last on my skin naman for several hours, but hindi lang talaga for an entire day. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-retouch. Mild nga lang pala yung amoy nito, so huwag kang mag-expect na pag napadaan ka, umaalingaso yung amoy mo. But maaamoy mo naman yung sarili mo, and if merong lalapit sa'yo, maaamoy ka rin naman nila. Do I think these are worth it? Yes. Especially if you're someone like me na mahilig sa pabango pero ayaw talagang gamitin yung mga mamahaling perfume pag nag-overspray. These kasi pwede mo talaga silang i-overspray. Hindi ka masyadong mag-worry na mauubos mo kasi very affordable siya and very accessible as well. So, pwedeng-pwede, kayang-kayang bumili ulit kapag naubusan ka na.